Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Realme device to Amazon Fire HD8 Kids Pro. First of all, open Play Store on Realme and App Store on Amazon. Then click on the search bars, type in Send Anywhere and get this free app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Firstly, on Realme you need to choose whatever you wish to in notifications pop-up. Then, in order to use Send Anywhere, click on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then, in this window you can choose Not Now if you want to and close it by selecting OK. Following that, make sure that Send at the bottom left corner is set up. Now, on Amazon, you can follow this tutorial by clicking on this button at the bottom right corner or skip it by choosing Skip at the bottom left one. Now you need to choose Grant Access at the bottom right corner, choose Allow in the pop-up and tap on Receive over here. Finally, click on all of those dots from all of those categories on Realme smartphone in order to select all of your files that you wish to send. Then tap on Send next to select it. It will take some time though to do it now, so I will go with only this one photo, choose Send and click on Got it. Finally, you can select one of those connection ways. In order to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon at the top right corner of your tablet. Choose while using or only this time and point your camera at the code. But you can always input this key over here instead and click on this button. Now as you can see, after a while my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!